4-year-old, all right, will not just conclude that an animal, is a duck by just watching the way it walks or the way it swims. My 4-year-old panel will not do that. All right? We do not have to, draw assumptions and then conclusions based on, our mental dispositions and our primary and secondary socialization. We need to attack the fact, especially when our integrity, are on board. Today, the telcos in Ghana, they do mobile transfers, but originally they were given a license to do telecommunication business. You get it? Today the real estate industry is not regularized, but tomorrow it would be. So at every given time in human history, innovation precedes regulation. So if we have gotten innovative, we are not opposed to, regulation. We welcome regulation, but we expect fair regulation, in accordance with the rule of law. So men's gold is not a Ponzi scheme.
Jim FM.
Number one, he's a funny guy. He's a very funny guy. Please, he's a funny guy.
Why not?
They're giving government 3 options to unfreeze your account. Government should assist you to get your money from Dubai. Government should come up with a legislation to regulate your business. Come on. The Mokase, source getting a plug down here. Please, we are living in a country that is regulated, not the likes of Namu Amunamba say what we are supposed to do. That's why in Dumsuna other people now and please, the deception in this country is becoming too much. What is all this? You are going to give government instructions? Now what your business you are coming to do is not regulated. And now Kassak back after I buy one I'm going to Dubai. Fatun China who deal with Namuan. You are creating unnecessary tension among the for what? Who you have to catch as a bank and freeze your account. Now don't catch them running Ghana. And you go be a business here. And don't catch them running Ghana. Everybody takes the law it is over. Now he has the guts. Yeah, some for Juma no now and Juma. What do you mean? What do you mean? If you knew that it was a gray area, was it not prudent to tap into a regulatory front and not quite say Juma?
Na neoma na o kind of one tia.
Oh. Masa, who get ghost? Oh, no, say we'll continue to debate whether ghost is. Please, when the catcher say uncle on your press conference. Masa, Jainamon, baby, I want baby Jainamon, baby, I don't know. Nanamono. On your bank, can I say so? No, sir, bank is go to Babano. No, sir, bank is go to Babano. It is a customer of men's good at the outside and remember hope. Me. Would you want seminar? Okay, what be Jainamon? A bank is some at Jainamon, some what hope? What hope? So it's innovation. Oh, please, Obi, please. Facebook, please. Amazon. Oh, first in China. Uncle Samra no. Omo mine because he's Namuan. Omo mine Samra. No man Jume. What does he mean? Please, na Ghana na normal say. Ghana. No be a no abeki can do a no kosa. Ya din ye sha omenye din. No waste means that he can survive the system. Ghana. And I pity those people who are down by he's our king. He's our king. When the government is regulating the system, we fight the government back. When government makes choice of sense, we fight the government back. Now, Obi, we as see a sue young. Yanko sue bibimu. As see a sue minu because send me put me fire and one born to dini qua. Number ditro train. This is savings and loans your muyen when I papa was in the Numo Casa Kekanoma Bibrino. Papa Kwesindu knew that he was not performing. The bank was not on. He knew. As I know, Kakachen. I buy the Mecca. I buy a Bank of Ghana. Oh, I buy now, Kanas. I buy no different entity than baby. What one also Kasakasa? So he doesn't know. Uncle Court. If he doesn't know, Uncle Court. Now, Kas a Bank of Ghana. Then I'm in here. I did not understand the whole thing. But what really is happening here? Loan service and loans 23. Now, Papa, because you knew, say you were saved on the verge. Got a collapse back on the first one. What are we talking about here? You knew.
As part of banks,
really, you knew.
Central downgrading about savings.
Oh, we gather public sympathy. I pity my brothers and sisters in Esikakudi, setting several banks, and their base savings. You should share it from. But the politics of it must stop. The Bank of Ghana, they say hold people responsible. STI for that investigative body, SIP or whatever. They should act. They should act. That special investigative team and come and tell Ghanaians what the Bank of Ghana has done, what SIT has done. The people who knew, in fact, some of them, these service and those, they were calling for Bank of Ghana to even make sure somebody take over.
Yeah.
Let's stop the pretense and hypocrisy. What is this? And people are going around explaining themselves. Go and do analysis of Sika Wabao. And come and check the reality on the ground. Whether your bank still could have moved on. What hypocrisy and cowardice is this? We are fed up. What is this?
And so, okay, the release from the Bank of Ghana and the reasons for the decisions a Bank of Ghana take here. Some of these finance houses, Adofonum, Unim say, say, and I understand on my with the passion or the ding.
What is all this?
Because Unim say,
when I read the release from the Bank of Ghana, you see, Bank of Ghana, as a Bank of Ghana for someone. The insolvencies of the blah blah blah. What is all this? Internal checks of Bank of Ghana. Have you done it? Have you done it? No, bit to home say no abano be troll because this one we don't check the maybe come out. And it's so a shame.
Jim FM.
Omahine Kwabena Sante and Yaten and Rai we could see saying so when this issue came up. And minute after Namwan area in a press conference, you know, and Yedin Komo we could see saying Jumediano eso. Namwan and so Kasano Poto Kakra and Tibia customers nibebre no ante brofo na se papa ohema sechiwa ahwenepa atena se enti we noti bibia obebo ne tofa amayen ewotwi kasanim na yenyina ya tenam one because bia wote Amazon wote Facebook insensem bia na okeka ohema akwaba
mo obi na no se Amazon mom
sa
na o ka Amazon no se Amazon
ono ka Amazon
sa na mtebo
Hassan say ekuya zone and na also there is here one tofa
yo ya bone tofa dia na one na ayi ano ne se manfo so a Ponzi scheme eti say ye ka Ponzi scheme organa ha dia nim dia di kan ye piram ene ni nuanom bia wo bagigi nkrofo sika no ma cha di no ma dwane na sika na kokam wo se ne dwumako ye ode ba ye men's gold no enye anubia na dia wo ye nie wa bia kwanya na to ho ode akramo ene ye mfanto so bi na besini dan asi ho oto banchi na kwa no ama baabi na watena enti akramo ne frɛ customers na wo mo aba bibia wo ton no oba betobi enti wo mo bia wo mo pona to sa wo gold apesa wo ton no wo de ba na wo mo aboa bo ho dawro wo mo susu ni mama no ne fo adwadifo akase a wo mo to sika okɔ enti wo ba beto na emfaso a wo benya no wo mache wo no na asi dan na ma wo du gold na ba begum enti gold na wo de aba betum no wo beton na emfaso no watibi na wo so wa ma obi na wo bia anya ne de na eno no sign be kan ho say contractor wone a wo mu di wo mu sika anase wo mu gold ebesie wo no honom no e wom sese obi efom anase fom so efi obi ho ema achwachewa bi aba e wo say ye che ema obi anya ne kakra obenya wo mu a wo bia nsisi ne yonko na de enti a wo kase we no enye Ponzi scheme no wo se eye adayeso ewo adwadie mu fofora wo no wo de aba adwadie mu adayeso fofora wo de aba eti say Alibaba ene Amazon ya woka Amazon no ena wo say de enti amanfo ntena se na de a wo de aba no esu bi mada eye soronko kura wo bia ni sa adwa no bida na sedi amanfo da so gi akinye ewo sama ho sasama wo ho ebisi eni wo no saa na bekoso nipa bekoso agi akinye ewo ade a wo mu nim ho obi betimi a lawyer ni kukudam obi betimi a professor wo ye osu adwadie mu nsam na so onye good businessman na se ono na mo ano watimi adwen aboro omayi hyehye a ewo ho ebu adwadie ho ban no so a de ohwe animu ne se oman no beye mra ya ebebo na dwuma no ho ban na se ebetoto na adwuma no na nyɛ sɛ yɛbɛgu no ɛna wɔse ne baba mu a wɔmfie 9 yɛ a yɛfrɛ ne panel mpo no so ohun sa aboa bi nante otumi ka sɛ nante ayɛkɔ die dabo na ɛkɔ no ɔbɛhwehwɛ akyire hu sɛ wei na no nie ne nan nie n'ani nkɔsoa nie dabo ntakra nie ansa no afrɛ ne dabo ntakra nti ɛne nwanwa ɛsɛ yɛn mpanimfoɔ etim afudwen yɛmu bi wɔ hɔ a yɛte nkyɛn adwuma no yɛnte aseɛ na yɛato din ponzi scheme ɛna ɔsɛ adwuma ko bi ba Ghana ha sɛ ɔba bɛhwɛ telecom ɔbɛhwɛ nkutahodie nsɛm so nei wɔyɛ mobile money ɛno kyerɛ sɛ nipa adwinyi adwuma bi atrɛ ɛkɔ baabi amra no mɔban na sɛ adwuma no trɛ kɔ hɔ a ɛwɔ sɛ amra no mom ɛna bɔban sɛ de bɛyɛ adwuma no hyehyɛyɛ ne ntotwe no ɛne ɔman no mra ɛbɛkɔ pɛpɛɛpɛ na ɛno no nkyerɛ sɛ sɛ obi adwinyini ɛkyɛn ɔman no mra na sɛ nipa no korɔ no ɔpɛ sɛ ɔbɔ emom ɔman no mra no so ɛna ɛwɔ sɛ yɛtrem sɛ de bɛyɛ a ɛbɛbɔ nipa no adwuma a wɔyɛ no ɛho ban nti na mo anse ne men's gold no ɛso kyɛn Ghana adwen ɛde yɛ mra a ɛbɔ adwadi ho ban no enti wɔtwɛn sɛ Ghana yɛso so sɛbi ɛbɛnya nyansa a ɛbɛduru ne ba a wɔmfie 9 no ne deɛ no so na yɛtumi ayɛ mra a ɛbɛbɔ ɔno n'adwuma no
ho ɛban okay nti tɔfabɔ mu no nsɛm a ɛnura Nana Apia Mensa CEO founder Men's Gold ɛde ɛto dwa no ɛna ɔhema abɔ ne tɔfa ama yɛn no yɛwɔ customers ne baako ha Mahamud Salifu ɔno wɔ ha yɛbɛba ne so bansa na no ɛdukumi akɔ aba ne te sɛn
Awurade adom wahye blue de na ɛsɛ
ba bibi ɛkɔ yɛ de
Awurade adom bibi ɛkɔ yɛ akade aka yɛ de ɔde bɛma yɛn
ba wonim sɛ in the world of business no yɛwɔ innovations about disruptive innovations nti wobɛhwɛ no ɛnya ade a ɛsida na obi di aba ono ne ba na a shaky system no ama system na yemra to catch up nti wo hwa on my examples Facebook mobile Amazon in the US Snapchat man all those technologies are ene ama ye nyina ya brabo aye simple no buy and sana system no a play catch up nti ono se ne de ne innovation or the aba
ono ne de na adi yanim kan
edi system nanim kan
nti o say ye ne yemra edi nachi
emfa ni ono nachi
said ye be ya wo kɔ ba bia enya emra no beka se da bi menkɔ ha
yes
aha de utimi kɔ
yes
hurisi ha kɔ wanim ana do ha
the thrust of the press conference ni nyina eno no was to explain Men's Gold model no but said the advert bi eka ye no bebrebe nyina achi no sika no
wɔ he
ɛhɔ na nka meba ne sɛ oh, Abrebia, you're trying my Sims and Sanya Dinchimwaba. You could have explained all these things when you were working.
From the start.
Time of problems, let's start to say about Securities and Exchange Commission for a started blow, alarm, Emma warning, so customers, Emma money way in your business because the Jumedia wouldn't and you're regulated. Any I don't know. That was one anchor explanation when you know, say about.
Emra na odidi atem wo twera no.
What you say?
O to ayampia wo twera no. Na nko de twera sem wo ya.
Apart from that. You see, as I'm quite busy panic couldn't have been paid for it doesn't be answer for. Or might be a grow based on innovation.
Yes.
You need innovative thinkers to think ahead of the system. So they now can say, baby, be a knee, I will know maybe home. Na ekobasa obe kasa sebe oba wedding fish and I cry minister the Ghana for Junana. Number one.
Oh, that's a fan or can.
I send a banner in Hunu. Odi ka say.
O se ne ba ni abuwa bia enka say double.
Ai.
Se edi hu ya ne
ka double. So obi betima professor, obi betima lawyer.
Eno just say
businessman. Na ne ba no kra nhunu because say the agina ne say ye n'adwuma no. Obi bisa ne say ye Ponzi scheme na. Eno oyi na no. Na o kire say ono ne ba wo 4 years kra no. Nhunu aboa na ntia nka so e double. Na chesa wo a wo tinchen a wo nti na adwuma se afra ne Ponzi scheme no.
Say onyansa ne wo form kakra.
Unyanya 4 years. Wadwene no. Imu no enru 4 years. But I was say yet say. Wo eto da bia nyame de ekuduru ba bia wo say hwe ye kasa yie. Ketrema it say you wine. It na police ni officer officer force wine. Obo nwum bi watch your tongue. What you say? Ni nyina ne say asem kro na ubetimi aka me agya asem kro na betimi de wasa akwa asem bi mu. Se ba bia duru na manfo ani abre. Yes, it's good to explain. But one year in your course of explanation, your choice of words can also anger other people. It's not one your best friend. Or when I say on you good when it comes to speaking in public.
Oma obi nkasama
no ne yɛhwɛ asɛm no baabi akɔtɔ no de betumi aka de afa ho ma ne nsa metwa ya yampia ma amanfo bumfu because some of us oba ye said you be investing in the entertainment sector when him say when he did the free said you oba ye oba sign Shatawale oba sign Stone Boy oba sign Becca oba sign Joyce Blessing oba sign at least obinya bibi wo ho Shatawale ne boys omudi na chi no at least omo na kom Stone Boy boys e di omo chi no at least omo na kom ti wa bi adwuma ama amanfo ye wa bi radio station wa bi we at least nipa bi anan ko mo be na monte anon be burden to the state no wa yi o ma free that situation but ni nyina mu na no nche se bibi chia me yenka what I say you can be the darling boy yes but asem si na wose ye ka and a Ghana mpanyufo no so we didn't act quickly
onim meba ama ya hwe sisia or the 3 demands no the good table on so and it seems in a very smart way, you know, is there where irresponsibility in our back aban so bio 3 requests aban modena is it 39 million dollars when your favorable rule in Dubai no AGM1 and insa enkesika no fentria customers on year 1 2 the bank account any properties are abiding insa atoso no aban enye nsem free so na onya access to sa account in properties no ntimi infantry customers ka 3 and they say aban enhwe enyemra to regulate or no the kind of business no and na me press conference na say an can be busa na just one question adia ba kwa na ye leo me gidi say ma me nua ya ote yi a odi ni sika koye was the return on investment because how kwa investment be a promise more than 10%. 10%. That's monthly return. 10%. In fact, Citibank, the world's largest bank, went to me promise was our return. In the Enonquan was a lure for people. In the Mibusa say Ekokoba say aban yamra regulating the business now. What it means, they say, I was under Bank of Ghana conditions. And Bank of Ghana so entrance and as a Securities and Exchange Commission entrance say promising for 10% monthly return. It's not possible and it's sustainable. In the OGD passes a basso irregularity. Near Caso no soon 7% per annum nibi for the whole year. Obenya customers. Will customers still go to him if he is paying 7% per annum? It's a question we would have to ask because I will call it for regulation. Then you have to come under the system. System na makwai my own promise customers 10% per annum. It's a question and Ram Visa ne was uncle Bibusa Emma Oyiano. Obi Mahamud Mebao Mahamud Salifu Akwaba. Kasagu Mike ne mama se bibi aboko.
Ayamena dumboko.
Usika se na women's gold.
Maybe I'm 42,000.
42,000. Enkaneno 420 million. Odi sikane ko eno unya returns ni bi.
Never.
Odi e wanya hwe. Na je say wo de ko time na ye bo dawuru say mama mfa musika nko no.
I mean yes.
So that time na mu na wo de ko e. And that should be around 2018. But
don't rush some need I know anyasem because there's no everyone saying warning is not a substitute to law. Anna because
explain further
because the point is no cremu say Men's Gold was an illegal entity.
Yes.
And say eje juma. Now you move in and close it down, right? And then you don't wait and give people warning. A camera home.
I get your point, but when him say in the space, you know, in our financial space, you know, regulators, you know, into an amount boom, sir. So also even with the regulated banks now, problems they started and started from some time. Ain't Osha see a monitor kakra, baby also my one. And mind you, say Men's Go setting up here means an I can run. Or who loophole in the system. In the OBB a friend of regulatory arbitrage. Oberheno, Securities and Exchange Commission, one power no edru baby. Bank of Ghana power no edru baby. Tokro da infinfin. Sa tokro no take advantage of. In the other side, who members of public, because mind you say, what register company or registrar general's department.
As a company.
You cannot a regulator stand up and say what collapse a company. No, you can't do that. You get it. A register general department was had to me, no. nipa ne nso activity na wo regulate. It does not come under your regulation. It is the way say you warn the public. Say emamunye, and that's why even SEC statement on the bar out and said say urging new customers deposits no onyai. Omanka say ongu na juma no. Omo say onyai the collection of new deposits. In the step by step, you graduate further. And the members of the public also had a responsibility, and that's why as our warnings, the
point is, as far back as 2017, February 2017, chairman of the public finance committee, I think finance committee, chairman of
Parliament.
The finance committee
of Parliament, okay.
Mark Asibe,
doctor.
Or say. Parliament had realized men's gold edumana umudino na enyemra nti say omogya edumano. That was 2017. And the Security and Exchange Commission moving into down at that time, and they waited over close to 1.5 years. Only between that time Nepadodo edi omusika ko. So it means the state failed. And apart from that, what they are not to nchenkra now. Security and Exchange Commission. A year investigation be. You are in the media, so you should know that better than I. Investigation. Their conclusion was that men's gold is not under their supervision. I think if you said, you will get that.
Oh, and one also
yes. So almost say men's gold was not under their supervision. Until Sauber catch them and say men's gold is not under your supervision. Now man for a GDP say, oh, then I can invest in it. Then later what by Kasa or Munya Juma. Now even the law, there's a Security and Industry Act 2016 which says that even when the commission realizes monies have been taken without a license or contrary to the terms of the license, the commission shall in writing instruct the company to pay customers their principal together with the accrued dividends. That is what the law says.
Yes.
Say, abra one cry say what di bonne 1 year juma e wo ne kwan so no kra no. E say wo bomodian extra money say one tua amamfo sika ma wo.
Yeah, but I think the SEC statement no said that. Unse na me can say SEC statement ne can say omunyai the receipt of new deposits. And they should concentrate on paying existing depositors, no? Or Musika. That was in the statement.
That even muddies the waters.
Okay.
You are a state institution. We say on receiver of new
deposits. Yes.
New deposits. Now on continue with the existing ones. Did you ensure that the people are paid? State institution, you have to ensure that every instruction of yours is followed to the letter. Did they do that? Oh, they are not. I know to in Chankrana. Senior medical kind. On our investigation, because say only under they are not under your supervision. Now, Sabe Kasa Omunya Juma. One I mean first of all, mono. Apart from that, even the warning, yes, I can understand. Yes, there have been several warnings. And where was the warning coming from? Was it coming from SEC? Was it coming from SEC?
Yes.
It was coming from Bank of Ghana.
But Bank of Ghana is also a regulator.
Yes, but regulating what? Because you when I'm moving into ask the company to stop receiving new customers. Yes, Security and Exchange Commission, which means that at that point they thought men's gold was under their domain. And when you're moving in, then why was the warning coming from Bank of Ghana? For instance, it's your friend say Food and Drugs Board and a regulating pharmaceutical companies. And do what did he say? Let me use a different institution. Ghana Export Promotion about warning pharmaceuticals not to transact business with a company or not. Do you get the analogy?
I get you. But just to say, because I involve deposit taking.
It wasn't. You see, this is where the problem comes. I didn't go with deposit.
Okay.
Gold na me de call.
Who the gold na call men's gold?
Yes.
And how the deposit they call brew marketing. Who the sikane call brew marketing?
You buy the gold
from brew marketing.
Now
they are about men's gold.
So there is not deposit taken.
In this here, no, per one argument, no. Yeah. It is here number one. But say we go down the buy, need you go down, beje.
Yes, I mean, you see the contractual agreement.
No, answer the question. Per one argument is here. Say number one, can say we go now the buy, or the brand me men's gold, you gold in here, obeje.
Oh, menje, but there's a reason for that because made gold no coin. We have signed an agreement, a contractual agreement. And contractual agreement is every month many dividends of 10%. For say you know, contract number expire. Now my Jimmy principal. That is the contract. And contrary to
my coin to challenges contract nini or are they out the breme a gold any gold.
Even contract in breach of contract, there's a clause woman. Kwanya first bridge contract now how to resolve it, and it is not this way.
Okay, and the defense by extension, the defense and yet deposit na me de call ye gold na me de call no will not suffice because we say anya dia obeji gold.
No, but you deposit. No, unti asem na make can say me say contract ni mu no. Yes say who bridge contract na.
Yeah.
Kwan we na
ye faso.
Nti saa kwan na na.
And our person mo faso. Okay. In the enra utie in the press conference no. Ultimate we are confident say unsa be kan say.
Yeah, no, before I get there. Okay. Customers your anticipation enra prior to enra press conference they say there was going to be a payment plan by Men's Gold on how to pay each and every customer. That was our expectation. Sir, there was going to be a plan to pay every Men's Gold customer. And all this in some number 2, it was very disappointing. Was some making serious revelation which dents the image of politicians and state institutions. He makes a point, sir. Before Obe exited Ghana, Oko Yoko, and there's a record to show that. Say Oko crowd must say me too kind. So if they thought it was not he couldn't travel, they could have seized his passport. Yet they allowed him to travel. Yet customers agitating I demonstration no. I think the next 2 days and yet he said a red Interpol alert was put on number 1. Yet you knew his whereabouts. Even there was this there was an infamous or famous bail jump by Nam1 posted by on a Facebook of
Gabi Ochweda.
I would mention it. So, which means that state institution, any politician, now money maybe or because we are told by the PRO.
Now, omunim say two kwaya now, so omunim the exact location now.
You see, this is even that even makes you see. All catch on say or two kwaya.
Okay.
What two kwaya no? What Yetchin or Dubai no? He called again to inform them that he had been arrested.
Sana Enra Okaisa.
His PRO had earlier said this.
Okay.
And the state has not rebutted that, has not refuted that. Which gives some credence to it. And all along politicians now say the man had jumped bail and I was done here. What they are not doing chance so I think State of the Nations address this year.
Yeah.
President Ekan said he blamed customers a bit and then state institutions. But the state is working towards the resolution of this matter. So Nam1 Ebeka said now he needs support from the government in order to resolve the matter. Now, is it the case that the state institutions are not working? Because as of now we don't know whether they are working or not, and we shouldn't be kept in the dark. Then what does it mean? And how they are not to chance so Nam1 say or per se abain one. Now in
Sanka Nisikano from
Dubai. Now
Dubai.
Abain the freezing account. As coalition of aggrieved customers of Men's Gold. Coalition of aggrieved customers of Men's Gold. Your position is say we want a formation of a committee, Abain anti Ebedokuobi.
Independent committee.
Ebedokuo comprising of Men's Gold customers. Men's Gold itself and the government of Ghana. Even the bank accounts are Ewa Ghana. How much is in net? Ne Japadia Ewa Ghana. Eya do was saying and the value in terms of monetary
value.
Saying Yahu and we are ansana ya we are saying Nisika Sana Ewa other part of the world. Yahu na. Na abedokuo no ene aban no adwen kwan a yebefa so na saa sika ni na ebeye available
in the meantime
no we don't believe say the freezing the account the freezer there is a possibility of the account being empty. There's a possibility no, it can be emptied.
It can be emptied.
Yes.
Inti mono mo position say while you wait government say obeji modiana tum a form a committee, you know.
Yeah.
Emma a buying on freeze account, you know. Still, I don't find in Santo account.
Your position is a committee, no formation of the committee, a first step.
Okay.
You're setting up committee, we are. Now, committee, I hear. Say, no. Or sika wa account mu Ghana sika dodo say na Japadia dodo say na Ghana ana ewiase afa na nyina sika say na wo na kwan ben so na ye befa anya saa we nyina e de aba na say na be abetua customer sika na ye hu eno a na ya say aban no intervention through ebia some diplomatic efforts na then ya catch aban ni say one year but to defreeze the account now just like that, you know, hey, problem. It's very dangerous because some of us have some experience in the past to guide us going into the future. Yeah. For instance, Men's Gold promised to resolve the matter by paying 15% and later pay within 90 days.
They register online.
And pay us 15% and within 90 days, Kaubetia Obiasi Kamano. At the end of the day, no 15% in the Yansanka. Ama 90 days and so yeah, Obiansanka Nisika. So the point is, I was uncle, and at that time, now you're in freezing account. Yet he couldn't do it. So to defreeze the account and ask him to go, no, I know it could be dangerous. The accounts could be empty. But partly we blame the government for all this. Because yes, Men's Gold, catching say on stopping operation. After they were running into difficulty. I think before even say you back catch and say one day Jumano. I think there are best practices across the world to follow sometimes. I think this Ponzi I am sure is from somewhere overseas I mean it was someone is someone's name. Nipano, this is the kind of scheme he operated. And this is the challenges he ran into. And how the government of that country resolved
the matter.
And it's about ensuring that every asset of the individual and the company are confiscated before even you move in. To shut it down.
But the state has done that in the case of...
you see, that even makes the matter worse. When did the government do that? Moving in September 12 thereabout to shut the company down.
Yeah.
When did they talk about the freezing of the asset? It was after January 8th. About 4 or 5 months later, Yakoya demonstration was Kumasi. Generating media debate.
Yeah.
2 days after that, that was over 4 or 5 months. So, I mean, who himself was scheme BBC na problem about huna possibly be to me say.
Yeah.
Ojapadi in a country exchange they want to mean for exchanging hands. And even empty your account.
What change your ownership?
Yes, those are the things. I don't have a problem. No. So the state failed absolutely woefully in resolving this matter. And this is part of the problem. And I'm one so at this point he's playing tricks with some of us.
Oh, where are
because OTA and on Sunday he created a platform on his media outlet to solicit views
from customers
on their expectations yesterday. Oh yes, I know. I think they went and hired some loyalists. I don't want to mention a lawyer's name. A prominent lawyer in this country. I suggested on the program say, Namuan and Yusu 2 to 3 years.
And on
Fantria a prominent lawyer, and this lawyer we know him very well. Say, or a customer of Men's Gold.
Okay.
And he has been with the company for 1 to 3 years.
Okay.
So when you investment,
we're recouping
times 2 or 3. In Akane principal, and no crown was Sankwaji Men's Gold Land Cruiser.
Hey.
Sir, the principal mbaya. He will continue to hold on to the car. And in that case, the principal will not be enough to even purchase that Land Cruiser. And as long as the money remains with Men's Gold, he'll continue to use the Land Cruiser. So, personal interest in Tina or no, or yes,
or make his point.
And then also the press conference, UTA, somebody who was asking a question about NAM mission. At this point, every customer is
Obia Penisika. That's not the time to be asking those
because
questions.
At this point, people have been ejected. Obi yetune free ni danya with
Yeah.
Obi stroke at channel. What damn pass away here sika drew. And apart from that, Obi you're recording no less than 23 deaths. And
23.
No less than 23 deaths. These are the recorded ones. And at this time, no men's gold customer will be interested in any mission apart from
getting your money.
You're getting your money. So high people like this now, banner, you give them the opportunity to speak. Then you get.
Now, said the conference was strictly by invitation.
Yeah. So that is the point. That's why I'm saying he hired them. It's strictly by invitation. Those people couldn't have gotten there. I mean, without
being invited.
Yes. So this is part of the problem. So the only person who spoke and directly to our needs, chairman of the coalition of agriculture, Okobi. So he went straight. Yesika na yepe. And nothing else. At this point, we are disappointed because we thought there was going to be a payment schedule. And
on the question, say musika na mopeno. None a response anything.
He didn't go strictly to that, but he didn't answer that question. But he made a point. Say, what our chairman, after talking about Yesika, Eka said, now you rely on Namwan to pay us our money.
Okay.
And it appears he's shifting the goalpost to the government. And so when I was saying Debbie, we are not relying on him for him to also rely on the government. Now, so but your customers and no men's gold, we are partners. Until we have to come to a decision and then forward it to the government. But at this point, point as coalition of aggrieved customers of men's gold, just as I said, a committee be. Now committee ni enhwe baby anisika yes na yemfam na say yebenya aban will be part of this committee. Nti say ebenya say aban at the intervention maybe in order to get all those funds into the country. Now yenchichama customers, that is the best way.
Do you have confidence in Nana Pia Mensah? Say indeed he can get your monies back to you?
The money should be. I say yet to scanner at all costs.
Do you have confidence in him?
Yes, not in him per se, but the state must intervene to ensure that we get our money. State intervention at this time is critical. Critical because on his own, we promises obey.
And you don't believe that?
No, I'm not. Okay. Now, I'm talking about the past.
Ofeli. In this
even if you believe until it happens, you have to be skeptical. That is the point. And you say abino eden obejim na waboa senebe ya benyesika, especially Cecilia Walker say when you say abino boa nan in Sambeka $39 million and all other funds across the world, And no, it is we believe that is the way to go. And we have even made that request long ago. The last press conference, coalition of aggrieved customers, we made it clear. Say abino and suspended the criminal prosecution because if you succeed in the criminal prosecution now. He may land in jail. Now, landing in jail, how are we going to get our investment back?
And I said, when you reported to the police CID, more reported with some.
They say this makes the matter even worse. You see, after Kumasi demonstration, after the Interpol alert, they knew where the man was, and they even gave him the permission to go there. And say. It was all part of the panic reaction. And I'm afraid and say, let's bring our details. They want to know our details. Let's bring it to them. Let's forward our details. And So we only forwarded details. We didn't write any complaint.
Man, complaint.
Complaint, sir.
You and I say every other customer.
The coalition of aggrieved customers are here on the streets of Ghana, are here agitating all along.
But there are other customers.
Other customers, who are they? The coalition, I mean, you and I, OBR, medium, you know very well the group.
This
fight towards retrieval of funds. Your coalition of aggrieved customers of men's gold. We are everywhere. We demonstrate in Accra, Kumasi, Takwa, every part of Ghana. So CID prayer, and they called us to forward them with our details. We never made a complaint for any prosecution. So at this point, suspend the criminal prosecution. To form a committee to think about retrieval of funds across the world, and then let's see how it can be disbursed among the customers.
The only thing is when it's a criminal matter, it is between the state and the individual who is the defendant.
Yes,
I don't know. Momo opinion might not matter because the state would, if the state decides to pursue it.
Let me tell you something. Criminal prosecution has no what should I say? Has no expiry.
Expiring date, yes.
And the welfare of the customer
should be supreme.
Should supersede any action that the government takes at this moment.
Okay. Now you can do it. I get you, Abutre. I get you. Now, in the end, then on final question, I'm be a phone lines by 5 minutes. Now, fame about Pablo Atanase, me who's a chairman, Kojo Boateng, Watanase. And then I'm one say, I buy and share and regulate the activity. No, should that happen? Still, I want a men's good by Ejuma.
Oh,
that be Eve question.
You see, our focus, we are focused.
I know some of the
we are focused, and we don't want to digressing. We are focused on retrieving our money.
Should his activity be regulated? Would you still be interested to work?
We are not there. Because Obi said they make a show on 23 days.
Waka.
And Obi you tuning one of them after our doing business.
For you personally,
what is I won't take even under my bed.
No, maybe person for you personally, no. The effect of Usikana Akokemno on you, then
is that.
Unya Juma.
Obi.
Yes.
Sikano kwanya nipa fa so enya sika we
420 million.
Na ekokemu I Obi enough. It has drained me completely.
Oh.
Ni prayer sam na make no. It has drained me completely. Say too bad. And you see, one of our problems is that government is for the people.
Yes.
And must be for the people. And it is even sometimes I'm only for who in terms of disaster. The government of Ghana had to me extending help to them. Ghanaians, and we have invested in a company. Now Yesika ko come. So state intervention to retrieve our funds. We are not even asking the government to use taxpayers' money to pay. Just intervene and ensure monies worldwide that belong to Namwan is returned to
what if there are no monies worldwide?
We believe there are.
And we believe
it is and he has won a judgment. That is
39 million. Okay,
that is well known.
0302216561 0302216562. Ebia also a men's good customer. Now say we are an interested party in this discussion. Obetimi afre ina amayeti unso adwenche. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Obi.
Me ba cho hwan ni?
Unia omusumuru ni edomabe.
Omusumuru mi enti o.
Nyamenshira na juma pa oye. Obi.
Juma fan.
Nyamene no kreni. Se namwa na nkandra wa mekasa kra nkeye. Because the kasa na obekasa ni nyina ayese wasa abehye nkrofo bufu. Eche se waji nkrofo sika. Ana nkrofo sika wo. Ena nkrofo etiti ebinumu yare. Na se o ba bekasa. Sa asemu we ya o ba bekan enwu hia kra se ka o ba bekasa. What do I say? You go fine. A woman's wakako winning case. Na sikana mai. And then fine way sikana bana fan for sikama mai. Now be my mentor. Oh, Ghana have an edulbia. Bibia man for person dear politics. And I buying you. Sa near mano and then kill you. And then they kunye.
Obusumuru mi enase. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, me ba cho wani.
What's your friend now, Marapa?
No, na mi enti o.
Say that issue.
Na radio be o manen kofo me pa cho.
That issue.
Okay, too bad. Me enhwe mfa nipa foforo e wa homa so good morning.
Good morning, Obi.
Me ba cho wani.
Ipacho Erico ne mekasa wala pa.
Erico mi enti o.
Juma fan.
Na one kind roya no. Ifema wakano kwe achire ni customers. Asema na wakan. Sika na nyina na ewo bank no. Oban na mampanyina wo so no ari ni start no so. Ono ntimi ni start no. Aga pare nyina wo so nyina akodi aban no ho. This aban timi man kwan na okọ isikana sa Japan na se obetinya ato ankofo kampo a anka ya depa. And now every aban ho isikana da abrochi 9 million American dollars no. Anka betinya boa. The mon kasem we abone ba na waka. Customers munya bo trema no. Tini nyoma ikoso no. Sa aban timi boa boko ya mamo me da wase me chaka
yes we da se papa me emfa callers be me no be nka woni emfancy good morning
good morning
me ba to wine
we have them about ko ma ka se ma se aplan to ba ko pe otum so
online mu dede no ye too much good morning
yeah good morning
me ba to wine
but nana ya me kasa free down kwa seke
nana ya me entie
me da sipa ne akonye man o kasa no interview ni sisia no me tie ni kasa me no ka bi say government is for the people enti adenti na bra aban ekose ye no wantie no toko so edi ni sika koto I believe that he's part of the problem abano. What you say? When say government is for the people, not a buying issue statement to say, "Adia, who come here?" Either one papa papa India, yeah, papa on India, yeah, excel. Into a look at the Adia, who come here, and yet into Saya, what here now? You didn't do that, and say now problem now bano, and a who force a buying who yet to say there or no more the problem about or no inviting the problem. What you say? Some of these things you need to your friends take a critical look at these things. What you say?
Hello. My main final call now mention fancy. Good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning. Okay. There seem to be some challenges with the lines 90 ma yenhwena yemfa nsi yentumi mfa calls no ebio ma when Kyle said American chairman of strategic corps atena se sanso na George Opareado national youth organizer Emma NDC atena se oko Koforidua they are new job in North constituency chairman for the NPP chairman Kojo Boateng so atena se yebeti empanyifo yi enche mpensempense mumre no na asoi awake mineral water and a super cement and a boy ma yere mpensen mono ebremo muntie we me ba ye sha se di nkomo stay with us.